G'day guys, Greg here. Now if you're anything like me, you have cravings for food, and a lot of the time I crave rice. I just want to eat something with rice. So today I'm going to make something that I like to make. It's a dirty rice using Cajun seasoning and mince and a few other ingredients. It's really easy and it tastes awesome. So let me show you what I'm using. Now you can make this recipe as complicated as you want, but generally what I just like to use is some minced beef. I've got some garlic, some butter, some rice of course, and I got some Cajun seasoning. This stuff's pretty tasty and pretty spicy as well, but it really adds a really good flavour to this dish. Now that's your basic, but also I'm going to be using a chili just to make it even spicier, and a capsicum just because it might add some nice colour. Anyway, let's start cooking this. Now I might as well start cooking the meat. So is this warmed up yet? Oh yeah, it has. So I'll throw some olive oil in there and get this meat on. And while I'm browning that mince, I'm going to cut these into fine little bits. And by the magic of YouTube, that's done. Alright, let's go check the mince. Oh yeah. Alright. So we better add in these onions. Onions always cook better when there's some butter involved. And after a few minutes, I'll add in some garlic. As much as you want. Oh, that's way too much. Mix it all together. And I'll chuck in the capsicums and the chili. We'll start cooking that. You know what it's missing? Some butter, because everything tastes better with butter. Oh yeah, that's taken shape now. But oh gee, need to add in the Cajun seasoning. So how much? Well, up to you. How spicy you want it? I want mine pretty spicy. Oh, tell you what, that spicy just went up my nose. You ripper. I better add some pepper too, eh? Alright. I'll put the lid on that. And I might just turn the heat down a bit. And I better get the rice on. So I might use the microwave rice cooker. And for that amount, usually I just add about a cup's worth of rice. Well, that was too much. But I think today I might go a cup and a half because I really want to extend it out a little bit more. And I'll give this a quick wash. And because I used 1.5 cups of rice, I'll add in 1, 2, 3 cups of water. And if you want to, you can even add some, like, if you don't want to use water, use stock. But I'll just add a little bit of beef stock into this. Not too much, because I don't want to make it too salty. Give that a mix. And this will go into the nuka, but generally I like to put something down that'll catch the liquid, because it always overflows. And now I'll just stick this in on top. And for that amount, I'll give it about 18 minutes. Alright, I better check on this. Yep. Oh man, that smells good. Alright, well, the rice is ready. Don't want to steam up my lens too much of my camera. But while the rice is still hot, it's good just to add a little bit of butter in, you know. Melt that through. Just tastes awesome. Alright. Oh yeah. And now, just need to add the rice in. And somehow mix this through without it falling out everywhere. Which somehow I've managed to do. And there it is, all done. And for some extra deliciousness, add your favourite hot sauce. I can't today because Well, I've run out. Yeah. Now for this recipe I used 1.5 cups of rice, but if you wanted to make it meatier, just use 1 cup of rice and that'll make it even better. And there you have it, some Grego's Cajun style dirty rice. Well, it smells good. Oh yeah. Oh. Que bueno. That tastes so good. It's nice, buttery, meaty, ricey, and healthy because it's got a green vegetable in there. Whew, and spicy too. So if you like your spice, here's a nice, simple, warm dish to make that tastes great. Anyway, that's all today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time I cook something amazing. See you then. Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where